Welcome to 16 acres of untapped potential, tucked away on Zero Booth Hollow Road in the quiet hills of Wingett, Ohio, right here in beautiful Washington County. This is the kind of place where you can step out of your truck, take a deep breath, and just feel the world slow down. This surveyed property is a hunter's paradise, featuring a thriving mix of mature and young timber. Whether you're chasing whitetail in the fall or calling in spring gobblers, this land is built for the chase. Wildlife here is plentiful, and the natural terrain offers both cover and advantage, perfect for a successful season. Access? No worries. You've got a legal year-round easement coming right off Booth Hollow Road, keeping you connected while still feeling tucked away from the world. Rolling hills, wooded ridgelines, and quiet hollows that stretch deep into the timber. There's even a small creek winding through the corner of the property, drawing in wildlife and adding that peaceful, natural touch. With electric and water nearby, this land opens the door for so many possibilities. A weekend cabin, a rustic hunting retreat, or just a smart, long-term investment. And if you're looking to explore beyond your own land, you're in luck. Just a short drive away, you'll find Wolf Run State Park, offering hiking, fishing, and boating opportunities. For more extensive outdoor adventures, Wayne National Forest provides miles of trails and diverse wildlife. And don't miss the historic charm of Marietta, Ohio's first settlement, where you can enjoy riverfront dining, boutique shopping, and cultural festivals. If you're looking for land in the Mid-Ohio Valley, there's no better place to start than right here. Give Tyler Haessly a call at 740-525-4585. Helping folks find the right piece of ground? That's not just what he does, it's what he knows best.